Hey Karen, Justin here, Old Town Marine. So I'm on what I believe is your boat. It's coming out to check because Andrew was the one working on it. So you got all your battery switches here, and they're all on right now. And then your bilge pumps. So here's bilge 1. And you can hear it running down there. And it did just actually pump out a little bit of water when I turn it on. Turn that off. Bilge 2. You can hear that one running. So I think everything's working fine unless I happen to be on the wrong boat or we're missing something. All right, thanks, bye.